Today, we're talking about money mistakes keeping you poor mistakes most people don't even notice. And if you catch even one of these, it could change the way you handle money forever. If someone gave you extra money today, would it really change your life? Or would you spend it all and feel broke again next month? Most people don't stay poor because they earn too little. They stay poor because of small money mistakes they make every day, often without realizing it. In this video, I'll show you the biggest money mistakes keeping people broke and how to fix them step by step. Comment below which money mistake you think is hurting you the most. Welcome to FinGrid, where money finally makes sense. We break down finance into simple steps you can actually use, no jargon, no hype. Grab a notebook if you want to follow along, and let's jump into the mistakes. Not knowing where your money goes. Imagine checking your bank account and wondering, where did all my money go? Most people never track their spending, and it's the small things that quietly drain their money. Daily coffee, forgotten subscriptions, impulse online purchases. Track every expense for a week. You'll be shocked how much it adds up. I tracked my expenses 1 month and found I was wasting $200 on things I barely remembered buying. That awareness changed everything. Prompt: have you ever tracked your spending? Comment below. I want to know. Spending to look rich mistake 2 is actually spending money to look rich with new phone, fancy clothes, lifestyle upgrades, all to impress people who don't pay your bills. Real wealth isn't about appearances. True financial growth comes from making money work for you, not impressing others. James and Sarah both earn the same salary. James spends on flashy gadgets and expensive outings to impress others. Sarah focuses on saving, investing, and making her money work for her. Who do you think will become financially free first? That's right, Sarah. So, ask yourself before buying, will this help me grow my wealth or just make me look good? No emergency fund mistake 3 is having no emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Car breaks down, medical bills appear, gadgets die. Without savings, a single unexpected expense can ruin your month. Start small. Even a little token of money grows over time with a separate bank account, so there won't be any form of temptation. I once had a car breakdown with zero savings and had to borrow at high interest, which is very stressful and unavoidable. Avoiding investing. Mistake 4 is avoiding investing. Many think investing is risky or only for rich people, but not investing is riskier, and then inflation slowly eats away your money. Start investing $50 a month in a low-risk index fund. In 10 years, it can grow significantly due to compounding. Imagine if you started investing $50 a month today. How much could it grow in 5 years? Keep watching. Next mistake is crucial. Never learning about money. Mistake 5 is about never learning about money. Schools teach us to work for money, not how money works for us. Financial education is accessible to everyone. Watch videos, read articles, follow trusted finance channels. Pick one idea per week and apply it. Knowledge compounds like money. What's one money concept you've always wanted to understand? Comment below. I might cover it in the next video. Now let's move to what actually works. Simple formula for building control over your finances. Track your expenses. Spend less than you earn. Save for emergencies. Invest for the long term. Keep learning about money. Wealth isn't magic, it's a system. Systems can be learned. So far, we've covered tracking, spending wisely, emergency funds, investing and learning. Think about which one you need to work on first. If this video helped you see money differently, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.